So over to the quickie board with Karen.
The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dutch County in southeast Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along the line extending from Fort Atkinson to 6 miles southeast of Hubbard and moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Johnson Creek and Lake Geneva around 7:55 p.m. Kell Lake and Palmyra around 8 p.m. Watertown Airport and Watertown around 8:05 p.m. Burlington Airport and Silver Lake around 8:10 p.m. Lapham Peak State Park and Waterford North around 8:15 p.m. Pleasant Prairie and Wind Lake around 8:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Tibbetts, LaGrange, Hebron, Bell's Corners, Milford, Spring Prairie, Springfield, Rome, Helenville, and Pipersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense squall lines can sometimes produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.